my dear learners, welcome to the world of exploration. Welcome to the world of imagination. Let's start exploring. Let's start growing. Alright, growing together, right? This is your very own educator, Sukriti Joshi ma'am. Your educator, teacher, philosopher, guide, mentor, counselor, friend, one and all. And you have come to the right destination, that is English Gurukul, right? So I'll just show you. This is English Gurukul, and this is my video wherein I'm talking about the workshop that I'm gonna conduct, right? So the workshop that I'm gonna conduct, if you want to register for, I would in fact rather say that you should definitely register for that workshop. Now, how to register, I'll tell you I'll tell you some of the steps. So you have to you can either go over here in this video. So you just have to subscribe, and you have to like my channel first and foremost, that is English Gurukul. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll just write it down as well. So like, share and subscribe to English Gurukul. First and foremost, that's the thing that you're supposed to do, right? Then what are we supposed to do? Then you're supposed to go down, right? You can either type this link in your Google, and then you'll get to see how to master conversation skills workshop. And here comes my video. This on the second level, you will get to see my video, workshop by Sukriti Joshi ma'am, YouTube. Click on this link. Herein you get to see my YouTube video along with my English Gurukul platform, right? This is my platform. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You'll get all the information out there that you really need, be it ranging from you can benefit, especially 11th and 12th can benefit, master level students can benefit, net level students can benefit out of it, CTET related students can benefit out of it, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th level students can also benefit out of it, right? So just go and hit that like button, right? Hit that like and share, hit that like, subscribe and share button, and do share it with your friends, right? And here you'll find the link. Go and click on this link and you'll be directed towards the main website. Right now the workshop has not started yet, that's why it's showing this. Otherwise it would have opened the workshop, and then I and you would have been in that workshop. So that workshop would be regarding conversational skills. So basically I would be taking the conversational skills, right? The workshop for conversational skills, right? So so this would be how to master conversational skills workshop by Miss Sukriti Joshi on Wednesday, 3rd July, 5 a.m. right? So this is the workshop that I'm gonna take. Please do attend. It would be really fruitful, it would be really enriching, because obviously I, your own very own educator Sukriti Joshi ma'am, would be taking it. It would be really enriching, enlightening for you guys, and I know that. And I know that one of my students has registered from my very first school, and I just love all the students from my very first school. If I talk about my first school, that is my first love. So I do appreciate the efforts that you people are making, right? And I'm very elated. I feel really elated when my students shower that love on me, right? So yeah, I'm really grateful and thanks a lot for showering that love on me. This is Sukriti Joshi signing off. Bye bye.